Akai. I hope everybody is taking care and being blessed today. Today's video is going to be about some new hair that I received. I'm going to show you guys the hair. I'm also going to show you guys if you wanted to crochet it. I'm going to do it on a mannequin. And I'm also going to show you guys a little bit of me doing a wig, because I will be doing a crochet wig for myself. The new hair, it is called Didnt Collection Expression Kinky Crush Bulk 36. So what this means, you guys, is usually when you have hair that you can either braid with, twist with, or anything like that, it's called bulk. So you'll know the difference between. What I see that this hair, it looks like it is really nice. To me, it looks like it's a very good 4C texture hair. That's one thing that I really like about it. Another thing is, you guys, you can be able to, like I said, you can either do a crochet with it, or you also can do twist with it, which the twist look like this, or you also can be able to do the type of twist that you don't have to curl the end. So it's up to you. The hair comes on two big old huge, they come with two long bundles. The thing that I really like about this hair, y'all, is I don't know if y'all are familiar, but this is, to me, is just like the Afro Soul bulk hair, but it came really short. So one thing that I love about this hair is that it is long. It feels good, looks nice. Again, like I said, it has that texture and that feel of Afro Soul bulk, but the thing that I really like about it is that it is long. I like too, you guys, they got it sectioned off. Anytime you guys using this hair, you know you always have to cut this little piece off. So let me show you guys how to be able to do it. I remember when I first used this hair a long time ago, I was like what am I supposed to do with this hair? So what you do, you guys, never leave this on, because it will make your twist look really crazy. Just take it and just cut right below that actual gold piece. Okay, so let's look at the hair, you guys. One thing I like about it is, like I said, you guys, it feels really good, really good, nice and soft. You will remove these rubber bands. They got a section off. You can either have it, you can either do it as thick, you can do it thin, you can do whatever your little heart fancy. I'm going to actually be doing a Afro wig out of this. Let's go over here, you guys, and get started. I'm going to show you guys how to do it if you guys were crocheting it in. So you know, with the braid pattern, it's all up to you and what you want to do when it comes to the braid pattern. But I already gave her braid pattern. So what I'm going to do, guys, let me get the crochet hook out real quick. And if you are trying to find a style, y'all, that looks so natural, this will be the hair. I'm telling you guys, this hair feels good. But usually what I always do, no matter what type of hair that I use, I always use some kind of grease or oil substance on it, just so I can make sure that it's not, you know, going through my hair, not being moisturized on my client's hair. So we're just going to take a little bit of it. And what I always like to do, y'all, what I always like to do is just kind of clean up the hair. Okay, so go ahead. I'm going to put my crochet little thingy on. And you also, you guys, can pre-twist this hair. So if you have some twists that you love, pre-twist it. And if you pre-twist it, you don't even have to twist it all the time. You can bring them back out every time you turn around. Just make sure that you don't cut the top. If you wind up cutting the twist, you know you won't be able to have that. You would just uncornrow each and every little cornrow, and then you could be able to reuse your twist. So all you would do, you guys, you'll make a nice cornrow pattern to the back. Put it on like this. Either you can loop it. Let me make sure I'm getting the camera. Either you can loop it, guys, if you want to, like this. Or if you don't want to loop it, because I usually don't loop it, I just go ahead and take my crochet hook, close it, and take it like this. And like I said, you guys, this hair you can either leave loose like this. If I was leaving it loose like this, I probably would have done the loop method, because I want to make sure it's nice and tidy. But since I'm doing a twist, we could go ahead and do a twist. And a lot of people always ask me, how do you do a twist? The best thing, you guys, is go from left to right first, see how that twist look, and if that looks good, do two. I would do two. I would do left to right and then right to left, and look at it and see which way looked the best, and whichever way looked the best, that is the way you keep on doing it. You can make these thick, you can make these thin, you can make them however you want these. That is why I'm really liking this hair. Let's get a little bit closer, y'all. Okay. Okay, so we got a thin, and what you would do, you guys, this type of hair, all you do is just keep on twisting it to the end. You do not have to twist like it's a kinky twist. You don't have to curl this at the end or anything, because the hair would just wind. And like I said, you guys, I always like to have a product on my hair as I'm twisting it. I mean, on the weave as I'm twisting it, just for the friction of the fingers and all that stuff. Okay, y'all, so we are to the very end. Okay, so what I like to always do, y'all, is I like to take it and just give it a twirl, and then you can just cut that little excess piece off. Let me get the scissors. I thought I had the scissors out. And I'm already loving this hair, y'all. Easy to twist with, just gorgeous. Look how nice that is. Y'all see that? Let me get a little closer, y'all can see it even better. Hold on, guys. See? You see that nice twist that we have? And like I said, you guys, if you want it a little thicker, you could just use more hair to make the twist thicker. Hold on, y'all. Make sure you guys can see really well. Let me open it up. Hold on, guys. Just bear with me, because I want to make sure you guys can see this beautiful hair. Okay. So now, you guys, if like I said, if you can either twist it, you can pre-twist it yourself if you want to, or you can twist as you go. And like I said, y'all, if I am putting it as crochet, I would just hold it down like this, and then I will pull it just like that, and I would just wear it as natural. So those are two different ways you can be able to basically use this hair. Again, this hair is so soft. When I say soft, y'all, it is like the texture of the Afro Soul Bog is much longer. So if you are looking to get some long twists, you will love this. And even if you want it even longer, you also can make it even longer, so it gets really long. So I'm going to start on my wig. I'm probably not going to be able to show y'all the ending of the wig, because I want to be able to get this out ASAP. But I will show you a little bit of the wig and some pictures, okay? So hopefully you guys, you get this hair, because I'm telling you, I love it. And it's most definitely going to be a hair that I twist with. I would say get about 4 packs just to be on the safe side, because I have never used it yet. So I can't tell you how many packs. I would rather for you to have too much than not enough. I am going to put the information too of where to be able to purchase it. Look how nice that is, y'all. I even love the packaging. So I truly appreciate you, Janet Collection, giving this to me. I can't wait to use this on myself with my crochet wig as well as my clients. So this hair gets a thumbs up. Okay, guys, take care, be blessed, and I'll chat with you guys later. Bye. And I'm getting about, it all depends on how thick or thin you want everything. But if you're doing twists, you can get like 2 twists out of it if you want them thinner. Crochets, to me, if you take this little piece right here, you can get about section this off twice. But like I told you guys, it depends on the style really that you're going for. But I am really liking this hair, you guys, a lot. It's nice, it's soft. Easy to work with, easy to crochet. You guys seen me twist it, so I'm telling you, whatever style you decide, you will love this hair. And this dude also told me when I posted that I had it, because I got it in the mail, a gentleman told me that he also do his clients man weave with this, because I thought when you did man weave you have to use the 100% Afro kinky human hair, but no, he told me you don't have to. So you guys, you can do that also. You can cut it in half and make it short, so you don't necessarily got to make it long like I did. It's just like endless. And like I told you guys, it's the same texture of our hair. Like, I mean, I love it. It twists easy and everything. So you guys, at the end, what I'm going to do is I'm going to provide you guys with pictures of the end result of my wig. If you guys want a wig made, I would love to make a wig for you. I do make them for clients. You can inbox me and let me know what type of wig you would like. I do crochet wigs. I am located in Dallas, Georgia. But I can provide you all that information once you contact me. But let me finish up. And guys, I'll be back, okay? Stay tuned to the end results.